I'm Nate Sally, this is Kenny Miner from Outdoor Home, and it's time for another Backyard Smoke Show.
Today we're doing rotisserie chicken. So we've got all of our, we'll set our rotisserie up later, but we want to get our charcoal going. So I've got an empty egg here. When you do the rotisserie, you're going to use about half the charcoal you normally would. For rotisserie cooking, we want to have heat on one side. So I'm just going to kind of push this charcoal back to the back side of the egg, leave the front side open. And then I'm going to make just a little spot for my fire starter. We'll take one of our Speedy Light fire starters, drop that right down in there, and light. And then I like just throw a couple pieces of charcoal over the top there. We're going to build all the heat to the back side of the egg when you're using the rotisserie. That'll take about 10 minutes to get going. We'll get our chicken ready. Life tastes better outside, so if you can do it outside, I would recommend you do it outside on the Big Green Egg. So we're going to get started. I'm just going to put some olive oil. And my favorite seasoning for rotisserie chicken, we have this at Outdoor Home, is chicken scratch. There's a spicy version, and then this is the not so much heat. Does an amazing job on chicken, especially rotisserie chicken over live fire. And this is going to spin for just about an hour, so you want to make sure you don't miss any spots on the chicken at all. And I like to just kind of pat the seasoning into the chicken. So we've got our chicken ready to go on the rotisserie. I've got my spit here. We've got it centered. We put our forks, so we want to get this kind of in position to where it's going to be right in the middle of the Big Green Egg when it goes in there. My next step, I'm going to take a Big Green Egg predictive thermometer, and we're going to show you how cool this is here later in the segment. But I'm going to take this and put it inside the chicken. This is a partnership with Combustion Inc. So I'm going to put that all the way in there. You can kind of see where that's sticking out. That's going to read the ambient temperature, and then we're going to know what's going on inside the chicken. So we're ready to put this on the rotisserie. Let's show you a little bit about the rotisserie here. We've got separate pieces. So I'm going to put this on the back side, just clips on the side of the egg. We'll put this over here. And then we've got, it's all separate. So I've got my motor. This would normally run off of, most rotisseries are going to run off of AC power, including this one. The cool thing with Big Green Egg, we're outside, we don't have power out here. We're going to get rid of the wall wart. We're not actually going to plug in today. Instead, we're going to plug into a USB battery. That's all it's going to take to run the rotisserie. I got a plenty long cord here if you need it. This just plugs into the bottom of the rotisserie motor, slides right on there, and now we're ready to go on with our chicken. So we're just going to lift this up. And it just slides right inside the motor there. Rest on this other side. We're all hooked up with our USB battery, so now we're just going to turn it on. So what's going to happen now, we're just going to go ahead and cook this. It's going to take 45 minutes to an hour, just slowly spinning with the chicken here. So we've got another thing we want to show. I put that thermometer in there. That's called a predictive thermometer from Big Green Egg and Combustion Inc. And you'll have to zoom in to see what's going on. It's telling me on my little display here that the internal temperature of the chicken is 48 degrees. And then Nate, if you move in closer here, you can see it's also going to show me it's reading 6 different points inside the chicken, telling me what the surface temperature of the chicken is and what the ambient temperature outside from inside the Big Green Egg. And then we're going to do a predict button here that's going to tell us when the chicken's going to be ready. You can see we've actually hit the 160 degree mark, and it was right on time. It's actually been about 30 seconds since that's happened. So we're going to go ahead and turn our motor off here and pull this off and let it rest.
Well, this is the best part. We get to do a little taste test. Kenny, you should go first.
Okay.
You did all the work. Let's try this. That's amazing.
Very juicy.
That's the best rotisserie chicken by far I've ever tasted. Life does taste better outside.
It does.
And you are the master on this Big Green Egg. There's no doubt about it. Well, people can get the recipe, ky3.com, or they can get a printed copy at Outdoor Home in Nixa, where outdoor living is always in.